How cute is this summer themed tote I just finished decorating? It was so easy to make. All you need is some yarn and paint and a tote. And of course you can make your own tote, but I had this one that I wanted to cover up these stains. And if you don't know how to make pom-poms, definitely check out my pom-pom video that I'm linking right here up on the top. I'll also link it at the end of the video. And I am also going to link right here the video of mine for how to make a tote. But again, as I said, I had this tote that I just want to cover up the markings. Anyway, I just drew in the cones. And now with some basic acrylic paint, I'm going to paint those in. Yeah, and I stuck some cardboard in the back there so that the paint doesn't go through and touch the back of my tote. Loving this tutorial? Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. And now with my hot glue gun, I'm going to glue these pom-poms right into place. And to cover up that little mistake of paint there, I'm going to paint in some ice cream drippings. This adorable ice cream cone decoration will also look great on backpacks, t-shirts, you name it, jean jackets, tank tops. I mean, just so cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of mine, and if you want to sew your own tote, check out this video right up here on the screen, and also my video on how I make my pom-poms. Thanks for watching.